Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Olopsayo Dukoya, and you can also call me the Global Teacher. So far, we've started with rules of divisibilities, and we've dealt with rules of divisibility for 2, for 3, for 4, and for 5. So today, we're talking about the rules of divisibility for 6. Now, don't forget, for you to have 6, you have 6 equals to 2 times 3, right? So that means that for any number to be divisible by 6, such a number will be divisible by 2 and will be divisible by 3. So to get the rule of divisibility for 6, we have to combine the rules of divisibility of 2 and the rule of divisibility for 3. And don't forget, in the previous weeks, we dealt with the rule of divisibility for 2. Now, what does the rule of divisibility of 2, what does it state? It states that for any number to be divisible by 2, such a number must end with an even number, right? And also, for the rule of divisibility for 3, it states that for any number to be divisible by 3, when you add each of the digits of those numbers together, it must be divisible by 3. The addition of those digits must be divisible by 3. So now let's combine these together to be able to get the rule of divisibility for 6. Bearing in mind that for any number to be divisible by 6, such a number must be divisible by 2 and must be divisible by 3. Now, the rule of divisibility for 6 states that for a number to be divisible by 6 rather, for a number to be divisible by 6, such a number must end with an even number and the addition of the digits of those numbers must be divisible by 3. Can you now see that it's actually the combination of the rules of divisibility of 2 and 3? Let me reiterate that. Now, for a number to be divisible by 6, such a number must end with an even number and the addition of each digit of those numbers must be divisible by 3. Let's look at this number. Let's look at this number 522. 522. Now, we can see that this number ends with an even number, right? Which is 2. But let's see if the addition of this number is going to give us a number divisible by 3. 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 2, 9. So we have a number divisible by 3. So hence, from the rule of divisibility for 6, this number should be divisible by 6. Let's check. 6 in 52. 6 in 5, 6 in 52, that's 8. Remainder 4. So 6 in 42, you have 7. So, hence, this number is divisible. This number 522 is divisible by 6. Another number you can have is, let's try and get another number. Let me get a number that adds up to 15 and that ends with an even number. So let's see, 4. Let me have 4 here. Then 4. Let me have 5. 5 plus 4, that's 9. 15. I want to get 15. Okay, that's 1. 1 plus 1, 2 plus 5, 7 plus 4, 11. Then we have, let me add 4. So this number should be divisible by 6. Let's check. Divided by 6. 6 and 41. That's 6. Remainder 5. 6 and 51. That's 8. 8, 6 in 54, 48, that's the remainder 3. 6 in 35, 6 in 35, you have 5, remainder 5. So 6 in 54, and we have 9. So we can see this number 41,154 is divisible by 6. So the rule of divisibility for 6 states that for a number to be divisible by 3, such a number must end with an even number, and the addition of the digits of that number must be divisible by 3 from the combination of the rules of divisibility of 2 and 3. So for the exercise for the week, you have which of these numbers is or are divisible by 6. So you have A 1 5 5 1 0 2 2 5 7 1 So the exercise for the week is which of these numbers is or are divisible by 6. So which of these 3 numbers are divisible by 6? Thank you. Bye. Have a wonderful week.